ayun, marami akong indecent proposals eh. That's and siguro that's my own fault kasi I'm always posting yung mga thirst trap photos. So,
Yes.
so,
Ano naman indecent proposals to, Nico? And
Ano
how
ba?
much? How big the
But,
indecent proposal was offered to you?
biggest presyo?
Yes. Paano? Yes, biggest presyo or pinakamahal na items or whatever
Uh,
material
you would be
things.
surprised. You would be surprised, Ray, sa presyo. I've been offered like 500,000. You know,
What?
over 500,000. So, minsan, one time 600,000. So mahal. Tapos yung mga also yung mga designer bags, yung mga yung mga mahal na clothes, stuff like that. So grabe, you'd be surprised at things that have been offered. Ranging in prices. But I think yung pinaka maximum was 600,000 that I experienced for a one night stand with Nico Locco.
Babae ba to o bakla yung nag-offer sa'yo? Nag-indecent?
Bakla.
Tatandaan mo pa?
Bakla.
Bakla. Oo.
Oo.
So naniwala ka naman. Did you check his profile, his background, kung totoo ito o hindi? Naging interesado ka ba to check his background?
Hindi ko chinek actually nung time. I'm not entertaining indecent proposals usually eh. So parang I don't think I checked at that time if it was even a real account. I just remember seeing the number and I was like, grabe ah. Dapat pokpok na lang ako eh.
Oo nga, mas kumita ka pa siguro, mayaman ka na ngayon, di ba, Nico?
Baka my house na ako and isang Fortuner, isang sports car.